In this video I'm going to show you how to make wheat naan without adding yeast and without oven. You can make wheat naan using tawa. Let's start. For making wheat naan, I have taken 200 grams of wheat flour, record water, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, record salt. First, I'm going to add baking powder. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of curd. To this I'm adding record amount of salt. Mix it well and make a soft dough. Add water little by little. Soft dough is ready. Cover this and rest this for 30 minutes. After half an hour, I have taken. Apply some water on one side. Now I'm going to place it on the tawa. You can see the bubbles now. Now I'm going to flip the tawa and tawa directly to the flame. You can see the bubbles. Wheat naan is ready to serve. Apply some butter while it is hot. You can also add crushed garlic on top. Restaurant style wheat naan is ready. I'm going to serve this with dal fry and dhaba style veg curry. Try this recipe. Subscribe Food Fandom. Comment your feedback. Thanks for watching.